Welcome to How Logical the World of Tutorials Where Complexity Meets Technique. You're watching BIGO Live Series Part 26. In this video, I will show you how to fix BIGO Live Login Problem. Check your login credentials before entering it. If login problem arises because of not receiving verification code, then it may be due to server glitches or disabled app permissions. Here you can see I'm not getting the verification code. Now to fix this problem, we have 3 quick and advanced troubleshooting tips. Number 1. Enabled app permissions. Go to the device setting, click on Applications, search for BIGO Live application, and under Permissions, check if all the permissions are enabled or not. Also find the messaging app of your device, click on Permissions, check if SMS is allowed or not. Number 2. Clearing app cache. Go to the device setting, click on Applications, search for BIGO Live application, and under Internal Storage, you will see Clear Cache. Click on it and your cache will be cleared. If number 1 and number 2 doesn't fix your problem, then restart your mobile device. After restarting your mobile device, click on this Resend button to request for the verification code again. Now you can see I got the verification code. Enter it here and continue your login process. This will surely solve your problem also. Do let me know in the comment section below if this fixes your problem. Also, if you have more queries. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video.